I shine as you loved all my seasons. Oh, chemistry unfolds. Oh, like never before.
Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today's video is packed with lots of things, like very productive. So on this day I was deep cleaning the whole parlor. Okay, so that is why I carried my chairs up, because I was cleaning under the chairs, and me and madam, we are doing the cleaning together, and we really enjoyed it because we are playing music and dancing in the scene as well. It was a fun one for us. I hope you enjoy the days in our life.
Oh, like never before, but my heart fills love with poison. Sawdust, but you fixed what was broken. I wanna keep you close, but there are fears I hold. Would you love me if I told you what they put me through? Don't know what's the pace I can't follow to get to you. If I push too hard, will you become someone I knew? I know I can't reach it. And always, everything I do leads to the end of our places. Saving up your picture keeps me on the same pages. Would you love me if you knew alone you'd be left there? I know I can't do it. And there I left him, with tears like rain in his brown eyes. I will regret it. The love he gave is hard to find, but there I left him, with tears like rain in his brown eyes. Crying I left there, cause I can't do it. Crying I left there. They told me damage ain't love. Don't know if I will admit where it hurts. So tell me, would you stay? Oh, will you go away? I beg you to hold me. I'm a mess and you picked up what was broken. I wanna keep you close, but all these fears don't go. Would you love me if I told you what they put me through? Don't know what's the pace I can't follow to get to you. If I push too hard, will you become someone I knew? I know I can't reach it. And there I left him, with tears like rain in his brown eyes. I will regret it. The love he gave is hard to find, but there I left him, with tears like rain in his brown eyes. Crying I left there, cause I can't do it. Crying I left there, cause always, everything I do leads to the end of our places. Saving up your pictures keeps me on the same pages. Would you love me if you knew alone you'd be left there? Will you do it? Castle I built, writing you a letter you'll never read. The cold is wrapping the fallen leaves.
I've done a review about this camera before when I unboxed it, and it did not come with a memory card. Okay, so I could not save pictures. So right now I installed a memory card and I'm able to like save pictures and see the pictures that is in the camera. And this is the quality of the camera after taking pictures. Okay, the camera quality is not that bad. Let me know what's your thought in the comment section. So this is Madam. I'm just trying to focus the video, and this is the pictures we have been snapping with the camera since I put a memory card. She's really enjoying taking pictures of herself. These are the ones I took myself, and she took me this one and she took me this one. So any pictures you see that's anyhow, she's the one that is taking this picture. But any picture you see that is very fine, you know that is me that is taking. Like this one, she's the one that took this one by herself. This one, I'm the one that snapped her this one. And yeah, so let me know, what do you think about the quality of the camera? The camera is not bad, just giving me this old school vibe, you know, in the 2000 vibe.
Sound of tears falling from the trees is the ache of my soul begging to be free from the painful thoughts I need you to hear. I'm writing them down, locking them away while I pray.
So after cleaning, I made rice, jollof rice, okay, and 2 eggs. And I'm having this, because of portion control, I'm just having 1/4 cup, okay, of rice with 2 eggs. And after that, the next day, this is what I had the next day, okay. I had chicken pepper soup with sweet potato. So this is the nail I fixed by myself. Oh, it's not bad.
But it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. So it's from here, from this container, the one I bought from Timo. So I just fixed it by myself today.
What about your leg?
So it's not bad. It's not,
What
it's not
about
bad.
your leg?
My leg, I don't know if I'll fix my nails on my leg because it's big. Initially I fixed it on my leg, but it's kind of big for my feet. Like the small ones are big, so I think this nail is for hand alone. This is how it looks like on my skin. Not bad.
Oh, my arm is white.
Just a simple nail that you fix if you want to go out. Hey Jesus, this child will not kill me. This is just nails. This is how the nails looks like. It's not bad. Let me know, guys. Anyway, see you all in the next clip. Nothing to do much today, just to relax. Today is Saturday, so just chill day.
Die on the page. Under shining lights you suddenly appear.
What you knock on the door? Why you knock on the door?
Yes.
He took the bell.
Yes, you press the bell.
Press the bell.
What will you say to Papa?
Welcome.
Say, Papa, welcome. Eh?
How are you?
Fine.
Good.
He's my Papa. He's my Papa.
Yeah, the same thing.
The same thing.
You.
Yes.
See your Papa for 2 weeks. He's my Papa. He's my Papa. Hey, babe.
Hi, babe. Ciao.
You miss me. You miss me.
No.
You don't miss me. You don't miss me. It's your Papa.
Jaga hair.
A ray of sun, or maybe just a shadow. Not knowing yours are the fabrics I fell for. Once upon a time, our words had meaning for you, but now you're just a perfect illusion I can't let go of. Shaking, breaking, fighting to reach you, but you're in a
guys, welcome. So hubby is back. He traveled. He has not been around for like 2 weeks now. He just got back today, which you guys saw in the beginning of the vlog, where mother was shouting, "It's my papa!" Like saying that only I get papa. No, me, I don't get papa. So I want to cook. Cooking has started. Before, it's just me and madam, so I don't really cook much, but now hubby is back. I need to cook. So I'm making chicken soup because he wants to eat chicken soup. Then I want to make pasta for madam. Then for me, I'm eating you guys know now, my low carb. So I'm going to be having 2 eggs with some grain. That's it, with water or with tea. Then later in the afternoon, maybe I'll do snacks for myself, like cucumber salad. Then in the night, I might take oatmeal. If I don't feel hungry, I'll just eat only the cucumber salad and sleep. But anyway, we're going to be cooking right now. So this is the pasta. Let me show you. So here's the pasta I'm making for madam. Why is not the show? Santa tricolor. Yeah, so it's a colorful pasta. So I'm going to be making it for her with some tomatoes and tomato pasta. That's what I'm making for her.
To the grave I've dug for the love we never made, for the control I thought I had. My mind rests in peace with the pile of letters in my coffin. Make me believe that I've won, but I'll never win if you're not here. You're not here.
Darling, you'll be mine and I'll be yours. Finders, keepers, think I'll keep her. 1 out of 1,000,000 doesn't sum it up. I trade my gold and silver for a treasure map to find your love. You're the diamond, I'm the rough. Falling sand, I'm sinking in your hourglass. Spending every second trying to pour my heart into your hands. If it's you, I'll take the chance. Think I just found my lucky charm. Twist on the right kind of shooting star. Down to earth, it's such an irony. Guess that's why she's my blue moon. Searching every corner of the world for you.
So we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched this extent, you are the best. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So this was how we spent days in our life. I think this video was from the weekend, okay? And today is Monday. Hubby is back and he's cooking the food by himself. Initially, I was cooking the chicken soup by myself, but he said to take over. And Madam is so happy because she missed her dad. And I'll see you all in our next video.
Found a four-leaf clover.